done very fast. Very nice. Good morning, Vanya. But your time will start around 10:40. Vanya, your class will start at 10:40, baby. Okay. So let's. Very good, Pavitra. Very well done. Good boy. Okay, good. Keep it up. So now what we are going to talk about, it's about our planet Earth. So do you know your planet Earth now? So on planet Earth, we have continents, we have oceans, and we have so many countries. India, China, Japan, and now this month we are learning about Malaysia. Can you see these two red color dots on the planet Earth? These are Malaysia, okay? These are the two islands which makes Malaysia. This is Malaysia, okay? This is the map of Malaysia. Like we have our map, like the way Malaysia has their own map. And this is their flag. Our flag is of tricolor. And their flag has different colors, red and white, blue and yellow. And we have a symbol of crescent moon and sun. So let's learn something more about Malaysia. So if you will visit Malaysia, you will see the national flower of Malaysia, which is our national flower. Anybody? Can anybody tell me which is the national flower of India? Which is the national flower of India? Yes.
बताओ national अपना national flag कौन सा है?
Lotus.
Yes, our national flower is lotus. Yes, that is India's national flower is hibiscus. Okay, this is hibiscus. You can find out this flower in India as well. आपको India में भी मिलेगा. But this is the national flower of Malaysia. Hibiscus. Mama, whenever you find out hibiscus, just show it to them so they'll identify it more. And here we go. Hibiscus flower. This is the national flower of Malaysia. And which is the national fruit of Malaysia? Which is India's national fruit? Come on, anybody, tell me. Unmute. Tell me. Arjun? Mango. Right. You all mango. Right. Yes. India's national fruit. Mango is our national fruit. Yes. Very good. Wonderful one. Very good, Rishvi. Wonderful. So Malaysia has this national flower. You must have seen it. Durian. We call it durian. Okay. This is their national fruit and mango is our national fruit. Okay. That is India's national fruit. And here it was, oh my God, this is same. I'll tell you why. Because India has so many tigers, right? You know India has so many tigers. So tiger is our national animal. In the same way, Malaysia also has tigers. Tiger is Malaysia's and India's national animal. Okay? In Malaysia also we have tiger. So tiger is the national animal. And yes.
एप्पल जैसा क्यों दिख रहा है?
कैसे दिख रहा है?
जो पाइनएप्पल जैसा दिख रहा है.
Pineapple जैसा, but बेटे वो pineapple नहीं है. That is a different fruit. I will show you the real fruit also. Okay? अभी आप picture देखो and next time I will show you the real fruit as well. It is looking like pineapple because pineapple has these thorn on its body, right? But it is not pineapple. This is called durian fruit. Okay? I will show you the difference. What is different between durian and pineapple. Okay? Rishvi, I'll show you that. So this is tiger. Tiger is India's national animal and Malaysia's national animal. Because they have so many tigers in their forest. And which is the national bird of India? Tell me first. India का national bird कौन सा है जो रेन आने पे डांस करता है? Tell me.
Peacock.
Peacock.
Man.
Well done, peacock. That's an amazing bird we have. And look at their bird. Can you see that? Their bird is different. In Malaysia, they have rhinoceros hornbill. Look at the beak of this bird. So long. And there is one horn on its nose. Right? You have seen rhinoceros, right? This bird also has a horn. So we call it rhinoceros hornbill. What do we call this bird? Rhinoceros hornbill. So this is a big bird, which is the national bird of Malaysia. We can find out this bird in the forest. It is called rhinoceros hornbill. Okay, so parents, this is just to improve their general knowledge about the world. It's not that they have to learn these things, but they should remember some of that whenever somebody asks them. They should be aware of around the world as well, not only India. So rhinoceros hornbill is a unique bird. Okay, it's a special species. So this is very, very special bird. You can see the long beak and a horn on its nose. Can you see that? Good. So now we have learned about lots of things about Malaysia, rhinoceros hornbill. And this is tiger is their national animal. And durian is their national fruit. And hibiscus is their national flower. We'll keep revising about it. Okay, I'll show you the real durian and pineapple too. Okay. So now let's move on, and it's our story time. Who wants to watch a story? Do you want to watch a story? Yes? So let's see a story and then we will do some fun activities. Okay, say me. I want to see a story. Okay, you will not say meh like a goat. You will say, I want to see a story. So today we are going to see a story of monkey and two cats.
Once upon a time, two cats used to live in some village. Both were very good friends. Whatever the cats used to find, they would share and eat it together. One day in the afternoon, both the cats were feeling very hungry, but they had nothing to eat.
Sister, I am extremely hungry. I am feeling quite weak due to hunger. Actually, even I am very hungry. Come on, let's go and find some food.
Both the cats started looking out for food together. In the village, they found a house with its door open. The cats turned their heads here and there, but found no one around. Both the cats quietly entered the house. They saw a flatbread on a plate.
Sister, there is only one flatbread, but it looks to be quite thick. With this flatbread, both of us can fill our stomachs. Yes, sister. Let's quickly take this flatbread and run, or else the owner of this house will return.
On saying this, one of the cats took the flatbread and both of them ran from there. Both the cats reached outside the village and sat under a tree.
Sister, I am feeling very hungry now. Quickly divide this flatbread. Yes, let me divide it.
When one of the cats tore the flatbread to divide it, one portion became smaller and the other bigger. The cat which divided the flatbread gave the smaller portion to the other cat. On seeing this, the other cat said,
What's this? You gave me the smaller portion whereas you took the bigger one. This is not right. Whenever we get food, we always honestly divide it into 2 equal portions. But today you are being dishonest. I will eat the bigger portion. I took the flatbread, so I will eat the bigger portion.
Both of them started fighting on this topic. When both the cats were fighting, one monkey was observing them. The monkey was struck with an idea to gain from their fight, and he leapt down the tree. He approached the cats and he said,
Hey, my dear cats, why are you fighting amongst yourselves?
Brother Monkey, we both cats are very good friends. Whatever we find to eat and drink, we always share it equally with each other. But today she is being dishonest to me. She took the bigger portion of flatbread and gave me the smaller portion.
What? This is absolutely wrong. This cat should not have done such a thing. But no problem. If you both agree with me, then I can take a proper decision.
But how will you decide?
I have a scale of balance. On keeping these pieces on it, I can decide which portion is bigger and which is smaller. Then we will divide both the portions equally. Tell me, do you both agree?
Both the cats agreed with the monkey and said yes. The monkey got the scale. He kept both the pieces on each side of the balance. While weighing it, he saw that one side was heavier. So he said,
Hey, this portion is bigger. Okay, let me make it equal.
and on saying this, he ate a bit from the bigger portion. Now the other side became heavier.
Brother Monkey, what are you doing?
My dear cat, I am doing this to make both the portions of the flatbread equal. Please don't worry. I'll decide with complete honesty.
The monkey took another bite of the flatbread from the other side of the balance. In this way, he kept taking that bit of the flatbread which was bigger and kept eating it. Both the cats were worried.
Brother Monkey, just give us the flatbread back to us.
Hey, how can I just give it back? I have not taken any decision. If you both chose me as a judge, then it's my duty to give you a fair decision.
Saying this, the monkey again took a bite from the bigger flatbread. Now both the remaining pieces of the flatbread were very small. So one of the cats said to the monkey,
Now we both will divide the flatbread amongst ourselves. You may leave.
Alright, as you both wish. But even I should get my pay for the work that I did.
As soon as he said it, the monkey put the remaining 2 pieces of the flatbread in his mouth and leapt back on the tree. The poor cats just stood there watching each other. Moral: the result of a fight amongst each other is always bad.
Subscribe our YouTube.
So, you like the story? See, both the cats were fighting and monkey took the advantage and he took all the bread from them. Right? So, we should not fight, we should share. Okay? You should also share your things with your friend, with your Didi Bhaiya. Right? Never fight. Otherwise, some monkey will come and take your things from you. Right? Okay, hope you enjoyed the story. So let's play the game with the doormat. All of you take out your doormats. We will play the game. We have played this game before as well. So take out your doormats, everyone. Yes. Take out your 2 doormats and we are going to play this game for gross motor skills. Okay, because your large muscles should be very strong. So we will play doormat activity. So you have to use your 2 doormats. Okay. Get up, everyone. I want to see who is going to perform very fast because we have practiced it before as well. Okay, Aaron is ready. Yes. I want to see everybody. Very good. Dakshita is ready. Aaron is ready. So let's start. You have to travel one place to another place. Come on, start moving, start jumping on the doormats. Yes. Now lift up the previous one. Pick it up. No, Aaron, you have to jump on the doormat. Come on. First, jump on the another doormat. Now turn around, pick up the doormat. Keep it in front. Pick it up. and keep it in front. आगे रखो उसको. Yes. Spread it and jump again. Yes. Now again pick it up. Very good. Dakshita got it. Very good, Dakshita. Pick it up. Very good, Aaron. It's very simple exercise, parents. Everybody can do it. Very simple. And this is a good exercise for their large muscles to do it. Very good, Kiara got it. Very good, Kiara. Yes. Pick up the doormat. Pick up the doormat, baby. Pick up. No, you don't have to jump on these two. Pick up the red doormat and keep it in front. You have to move forward. You have to keep moving forward. Very good. Okay, Arman got it. Arman, pick up the doormat. Okay, parents, I will just guide you once again the way Aaron is doing. Aaron, could you please do it again so I can show how you have to move forward. See, you have to keep two doormats. Okay, jump in the front one, pick up the back one and keep it in front. Keep it in front and jump again. Yes. Yes. Parents, just see. Very good. Okay, Drishvi got it. Yes. Sarah got it now. Very good. Very good. Drishvi, you got it. Well done. Well done. Now go to another side. Very good. Very good, Arman. Arman also learned it. Very good. Kiara got it now. Very good. It's very simple exercise, and parents, it is very good for their legs to be strong. Very good, Anya. Good, Dakshita. Very nice. Very good. Very good, Dakshita. You got it. You got it. Okay, okay. Don't go so far. Otherwise, you'll not be able to jump. Okay. Yes, Vanu, do it. Jump on the doormat. Jump on the first doormat and pick up the second one.
उठाओ उसको. आओ आगे आओ. अब इस पे खड़े होकर उसको उठाओ.
This is
नहीं
the
तो ऐसे ही. इसको आगे उठाओ. हाँ.
very good.
अब इस पे जंप करो.
Got it, Drishvi. Got it, Kaira. Very good. Keep jumping. Keep jumping. Very good. Pick up the doormat and jump forward. Very well done. Super. Great. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Got it. Got it. Very good. Well done, everyone. Well done. Okay, that's it. Very good. So parents, keep doing these activities until our schools are open. I want children to do physical activities at home. They should not sit and watch the TV all the time. Okay, very good, everyone. Next activity, Mama, make a circle with your dupatta or maybe with a ribbon, whatever is available with you.
School.
Baby, I will tell you when it will be open. Okay, Pavitra? I will send you the message. All of you make a circle with Mama's dupatta on the floor. On the floor, make one round circle on the floor. Maybe dupatta or maybe you can use ribbon, cello tape, whatever is available. Okay? Like this. You have to make one round circle on the floor. Okay, you have to jump with both the legs together. Okay, don't jump with one leg. You have to jump together. Jump in, jump out. Jump in, jump out. Come on, do it, everyone. Yes. Come on, Drishvi, you are ready with your circle. No. Don't keep your feet on the dupatta. Yes, jump in, jump out. Very good, Drishvi, you got it. You got it right, Drishvi. Very good. Very good, Aaron. You can jump with the ribbon. You can jump with the dupatta. Very good, Drishvi. Wonderful. Okay, Arjun got it. Jump in. One jump. Jump in, jump out. Jump out. Come on, Arjun, jump in. Jump out. Yes, these are the simple
इसको
games
टच नहीं करना.
at home.
चुन्नी को हाँ.
Both the legs you have to use.
दोनों पैर से.
No.
Jump in.
With both the legs.
Oh.
Yes, Smarty, do it. Jump in, jump out. Very good, Vanya. You got it right. Jump in the circle. Yes, jump out. Very good. Wonderful. Very good, Kiara. You got it correctly right. Very good. Very nice. Superb, everyone. So hope you are enjoying this. Keep doing it. This is very good and healthy exercise. Very good, Aaron. You got it right. Okay, good. So jump in, jump out. Jump in the circle, jump out of the circle. Very good. You can use hula hoop as well. Whatever is available. Ribbon, dupatta, hula hoop, whatever is available. Superb, Aaron. Dakshita, very good, Drishvi. Well done, Vanya. Wonderful. Great job done, girls and boys. Good, Arjun. Very good. Oh, you are tired, Dakshita. Keep doing. It's so much fun. Parents, see there.
एक बार बाहर एक बार अंदर स्टॉल को टच नहीं करना.
Good, Ara. Very good, Kara. You have to jump in the circle, jump out from the circle. Okay, so we just have 30 seconds left, everyone. Keep enjoying with these activities and see you tomorrow. Bye. See you tomorrow, everyone.